Hello guys, welcome to the last part of Flying Bird game application. So we will change the name of this app to Flying Bird game or Flying Bird lang. Then the next is how do we put icon on that. So first we go to string. This is the app name. I will just change this for Flying Bird. Control X, Control X, Control S, then I will close that, and also I will go to manifest. In the manifest, syempre naka-portrait yung dalawa. So the game over manifest, just add portrait also para secure. And then ito yung icon niya, map IC launcher, which is parang ito siya, ganito siya, back. So we can direct that, we can change that at drawable slash icon, and same with this one, you can change that drawable slash icon. And then after that, let's try to run terminate. So let's wait. Ay, may kapangalan pala, Flying Bird. So sorry. So ang gagawin natin, dahil magkapangalan sila, rename ulit natin to, yung ginawa natin. String Flying Bird game na lang. Yan. Terminate. Let's try. Okay. Yan, okay na tayo. So let's try to close this application. As you can see now, the icon doesn't change at all, but if you try to, but when I tried running it on Android emulator, it's just an experiment guys, so let's check if this icon is not changed, then it's a bug. But if this change, so my name here is Flying Bird game, so yeah, it changed. The Flying Bird game, the Flying Bird, it changed in the Android emulator. So after you change the, I will try to build this, build APK, and I will locate that to locate. Okay, ayaw niya. Let's wait, then try to install that. What will happen after we install that? Oh, it's a bug. Or try natin kasi dapat it's working. Yeah, it's a bug kasi it doesn't read the icon. But if I choose other like heart, let's try this heart and also this heart. Just this, sorry, dapat hindi dyan. On the virtual device, Oh, retry. Hindi daw siya nag-success. Terminate. So does this change the... Nope. Oh, it's a bug in the system. So I will try to clean the project. Clean project. Let's wait for the Gradle. If there are errors or anything that okay, done na. And then I will try to build or kahit itry ko lang i-run. Okay, it's already run. This heart is the icon. So if you want to change the icon, change the or locate your picture, but still no progress. But in my other application, it's still functioning. In my other application, this is also the flying bird that I created, but the icon, as you can see, the icon is flash icon, and also splash icon. So that's it, guys, for our flying bird game application. I can send you the project that I created, but can you do it first? Kasi dito tayo gagawa ng activity nyo, and I will teach you how to insert audio programming here. Like when you get the ball, there's sound like na mailalagay natin. For example, yung sound ng pag nakuha mo yung danger ball. Ano yung sound? Ganon. Basta, parang ganon, guys. And I hope that you will get this Android game as exciting as I did. You can manipulate anything or you can do whatever you want on this project. Just follow the step by step. I will provide what do you call this, links for you to understand, and I will create a soft copy for the notes for the classes that I use in this game. Thank you guys for listening and enjoy programming. Thank you. Enjoy playing this game.